Hey guys, it's Nails by Ray and welcome back to the channel. I hope y'all are having a beautiful day, and if you're new here, welcome to your new favorite nail channel. In today's video, I'm creating these red French tip Valentine's Day nails inspired by a nail channel on YouTube called Nails by Vic. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's get on with the video. So now I'm starting off with my nails already prepped and I have my nail tips glued down. I'm going to use my nail clippers to clip the nails down to a shorter length before I begin. So next you want to use your nail dehydrator to dehydrate your nails. Dehydrator is essentially a cleanser for the nail, so it's just cleaning up the natural oils that are on your nails. And I've used it on the nail tip as well, and it works really fast. You'll see how fast it dries up. So I'm starting this nail set with my French press Nude Polygel from Makartt, and I'm using a small amount of that polygel to create the nude part of the French tip design. So next step, you want to take your hand file and file the sides of the polygel to make it more defined.
For you and your friends, you know how I spend in HOUSTON. I get too crazy, had a little bad enough. We stay good friends, we get too wavy. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. My babe, you know me, and you knew me back then, and you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making right. Wait till your ends, and you know I need you to be there for me. You a little so baby, you a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket, she gon' take off like a. You already know, no. Dirtied up a couple on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably cross-eyed. Know I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Hold tight. I just touched the city with the G blood stainers, and we got adopted by some fifth war strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first name basis.
So for the second part of the polygel application, I'm using this Crimson Cherry Red Polygel from Makartt, And this is the first time I'm using Red Polygel from Makartt. They didn't originally have this color on their Amazon, but when I saw it, I immediately snatched it up a few months ago, even though I had no plans for any red polygel nails. So the consistency of this polygel is the same as their other products. And what I'm doing here is filling out the rest of the nail tip with the color, and then I'm going to mold it into that French tip design.
Enjoy the show. So we in Houston celebrating. We're going to Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. Y'all know the Vegas? Now we in Houston. Definitely going down.
So now I'm using my e-file and my sanding band to file down the nails, and because I did my French tip in 2 parts with the polygel, I'm gonna break down those layers and make sure that they're nice and even.
I'm always on the X, down.
next you're going to use your buffing block to buff the nails after they've all been filed. So now that my nails are all filed and buff, I'm going to add some gems and charms to my nails. And I decided that I wanted to use these white pearls that I got from Amazon. They're really cute and I never really got to use them in a nail design before, so I'm definitely excited. And then I'm also going to be using some bow charms as well later in the video. finally, I'm going to be using top coat on top of the nails and underneath the nails. So as you can see here, I'm top coating over the pearls that I put down. I normally never do this because I usually just add the top coat before I put the pearls on top. But because I needed the pearls to be in a specific position, they would start sliding down a lot if I put top coat on. So I had to put a small amount of rhinestone glue first, make sure they were in the right position, cure them, and then top coat over. Alrighty guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys loved how these nails came out, and if you do, be sure to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe so you never miss any uploads from my channel. And I'll see you in the next video.